Here is our next question for Ask Portia, and remember to always use that hashtag Ask Portia so that I can find your questions. And the question is, are the mugs safe to use in the dishwasher and or the microwave for coffee? Now, this question came from a video where I had created a mug. The base was alcohol inks. Then I did a layer of vinyl, and then from there I coated it with resin, epoxy resin, to protect it. So the short of it is going to be no. So you can put coffee in it, but you do not want to put the mug in the microwave or in the dishwasher. So because it is coated in epoxy resin, you want to think about the heat sensitivity. So if you put it in the microwave, it can cause like a breakdown in the outside coating. It can soften under the heat. And then if you put it in the dishwasher can begin to create wear on the actual outside coating itself. So one of the things I will say is when I make something for someone, I either sublimated tumbler, or if I'm putting rhinestones on there, vinyl, or even epoxy coating, I say handmade means hand wash. That is going to ensure that you get the longest durability out of the mug itself. So another thing is potential discoloration. So that high temperature in the dishwasher or even the microwave can discolor the item and make it look yellow. We definitely don't want that. So when you give it as a gift, again, hand wash. The steam of the dishwasher also can like add moisture to the piece itself, and then it can actually seep into the resin coating, which can lead to like clouding and like cracking of the actual resin layer itself. And again, we don't want that. Now, putting it in the microwave as well can lead to the warping of it, and like it can end up the layer of epoxy resin can end up warping and bubbling and peeling, and then it's going to ruin the design. And then it also might release fumes, and we don't want that because we cook in there. So even though I may be using full food safe grade resin, and of course you're going to want to use that on the outside of anything you may be drinking out of, you don't want to reactivate it by putting it in the microwave once it is coated, because it can release harmful fumes. So you definitely want to make sure that you're not doing that. And then make sure when you are coating certain items with epoxy resin, especially the ones you're going to be eating and drinking out of, that it is food safe. And like I say, at the end of the day, if it is handmade, be sure to remind yourself to hand wash. And if you are doing this to sell, be sure to place a sticker or a little card with the product so that your customer knows that this should be hand washed as well.